Hey makers, it's Joel from Maker Studio, and I'm back with another CoBUILD19 video lesson. And today our lesson comes from May in Charlottesville, Virginia, and her daughter Julia. Today we're going to be making a puzzle. What's better than a puzzle when you're stuck indoors? So May and her daughter Julia came up with this idea to create DIY puzzles. So the first thing that you need are your supplies, and the supplies for this are very minimal. You'll need a little bit of cardboard, you'll need some scissors, some glue, and then you're going to print out a map from Google Maps. It could be a map of your hometown, a map of a place that you like to visit, some place that is special to you. Doesn't really matter, and you can do it either in color or in black and white. That doesn't really make a difference either, although the color one might make it a little bit easier and give you some more clues as to how your puzzle pieces will fit together in the end. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to cut your map and your cardboard to the exact same specification. So width and height, exactly the same. You're going to glue your map that you've cut out onto the cardboard. The next step is probably the hardest. Wait. Sit down and wait. Wait until your glue dries. May really pointed out that if you don't wait for your glue to fully dry, when you go to cut your puzzle pieces, your map will tear. So wait. Did I mention wait?
So now I have my map all glued down and trimmed, and I just have to wait a little while for it to dry.
You're going to flip your map and your cardboard over, and you're just going to draw out the puzzle pieces that you want.
Okay, so once you have your map glued to your mat board, it looks like this. I like to have the compass rose on it because it's a little orienting for children. And then you can see that I just have it glued to some foam board in the back. So the next step here is that you need to divide it into a puzzle. So you can do that in a variety of ways depending on how difficult you want it to be for your students or your children. So the hardest way to do it is if you cut square pieces like this. Those are really hard to do because kids are going to have to rely on the map in the back in order to put the puzzle together. For students who want a little easier, you can make pieces that are much bigger with wiggly lines on them, or you can use smaller pieces like that. And once you have those all divided out, then you can start cutting.
The final thing that you're going to do is you're going to cut along the lines that you drew on the back of your cardboard map in order to cut your shapes out.
Once you have all of your pieces cut up, now you can start putting them together. So here's our compass rose, and then we can tell that our house goes sort of next to it, and then Dad's school goes a little bit down here, but then you can put your puzzle together. Thanks for joining.
And then the final step is flip it over, spread it around, and have fun putting your puzzle together. Don't forget to share your puzzle on social media using the hashtag DIYpuzzle. Also share with the hashtag CoBUILD19. We can't wait to see what you make. Have a great day making.